everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
Appreciate you, bro. So the two main trading platforms that a lot of people use are Webull and Robinhood. And I wanted you to kind of break down which one is the better one to use and why you think that that's the better one to use. And we're going to go ahead and break that platform down.
Well, I'll start with I probably say that Robinhood is probably better for first starting out and beginning investors.
Okay.
It's a very simple platform to use. The mobile app is pretty easy. You don't even really need too much of a walkthrough. You can actually just play around with it and get the hang of it. But as you said, I do offer consultations. I do offer walkthroughs for those that are more of, hold my hand and walk me through it, and I'll never need you again, learners. I got you.
Okay.
So yeah, I use more so Robinhood for crypto now. I have a few dollars that I had in there. I swapped everything out and just went in on Doge. So you can imagine how happy I am right now.
Oh, you going up like, are you at least 10x already? So.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
So
Shout
I'm
out to you,
definitely
man.
happy about that.
Yeah, for sure.
But so yeah, Robinhood is pretty good. The one thing I'll say about Robinhood, as most of you know, with everything that's been going on with GameStop and all the rest of the other companies that have been in this short squeeze situation that's been going on for the past few months. The one thing about Robinhood is, and I also saw today that once Doge started going up, they started to try to put like a limit and try to block trades. So this is the second time I've seen myself personally. I've seen things happen to where they've kind of like stopped me from making more money. I'm always gonna make money, but they kind of stopped me from making more money.
Now hold on.
So
quick question. They didn't stop your crypto.com, right? That's
absolutely not.
Right? Okay.
Oh, absolutely not. Crypto.com. That's what I use as a savings, but we gonna get into that later.
No, that's for sure. See, that's what I'm saying. So just so you guys know, he's letting you guys know about why Robinhood is great, but also that Robinhood was kind of like the first free trading platform out there. So they have this leverage that they can kind of, everybody's making all this money and taking away from the hedge funds and this and that. And they could stop you from, let's just say you were in a position to make, 10,000, but you say, you know what? I like my position. I'm gonna double down, and you could have made 30, 50, 100, 150. You were stopped. So be aware of that kind of stuff before you fall in love with the app. Know that they can unplug you and do these different things. And that's why he's letting you guys know that, after you learn the ins and outs, that Webull is probably the better platform to get into.
Absolutely. And also Robinhood, they've actually had some lawsuits. I don't exactly know how those went, whether they were settled or whatever the case may be. But I also know that they themselves are starting an IPO soon. Okay. So that's also something that you might want to watch out for. Is they probably not too concerned with your dollar if they got some dollars going in motion right now at this moment.
Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, because everybody's going to push Robinhood. That's the most known platform. But understand that there are certain risks that you need to watch out for, and, pay attention to that kind of stuff. He's putting you guys onto this stuff. So research this kind of stuff. Get on Google, get on wherever you got to get on, research this stuff before you got a lot of money tied into something that, can be locked up or things like that. So be on the lookout for that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Also, for those that aren't already aware, IPO is an initial public offering. It's when you first take your company to become publicly traded by retail investors like you and I.
100% correct.
check. I'm living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You said you were healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all